All right. All right, DJ. Look at that. Thank you. Thank you. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Happy Easter to each and every one of you. God bless you all. When those Wazobia boys they perform, I find out say Igbo people plenty here. You know get where you go for this world where Igbo people no day. Anywhere for this world where Igbo man no day, you need to run. That place no good. Some time ago, even for Inyanya, we had in the throw bomb for Abuja, Igbo man did there, they say canvas. They say canvas, buy your canvas, Maki Bosso bomb. The first song, they say pure water. When you got to a song, that's how it is with the Igbo people. The other day, we'll go show for Abba. I surprised. I bought gala for hold up. And my guy and I tapped me, say, make I check the expiring date. Behold, when I check out, now that day be the expiring date. 15th of February. Now I call the guy back, say, gala, in this I won't buy another one, so in rush come. You know, as Igbo boys they do, nothing I say, my brother, the gala don't expire. He say, when the expiring date of Kanozo now I say, not today, now 15th of February. Now I say, chai, today never finish now. If you go chop gala, chop gala. Igbo people, wonderful people. I don't know I see some mothers around, but our young girls of nowadays, I beg, especially for this island, I don't notice girls where they cook for their house, no reach 12. Maybe say after church, any fast food you enter, girls, women, food there. They drag line for fast food. What thing happened to gas? How much is gas? All these musicians, they come, they sing, now they form humble. So they're quiet too, because they never blow. So they're quiet. And they talk for this entertainment industry. The only humble people now we the comedians. Yes, we and people with the art film, Nollywood, now we humble pass. Musicians, once them blow, then go begin day 8, they waka. I don't know why they need day 8. Imagine if you call Davido for show now. Davido, they come with 8 people. Waiting then they walk, one go just hold flash drive. From here, you enter flight to Port Harcourt just to hold flash drive. The second person go hold white towel. So now what you use enter flight? No, it's annoying, you know. It can't be like say this entertainment industry, the musicians they cheat us. One person hold flash drive, one person hold white towel, one person hold bag where they go use spray money. And then they hate themselves past the main artists. Now I make all these Nigerian musicians, if they begin get problem for this industry, we comedians, we need to pull out for them. We need to pull out for them. See Terry G that year now. On an Igbo, ginger the ginger, swagger the swagger. And when he say, call me Terry Jesus. Okay, if you be Terry Jesus, now where the career don't die, resurrect them now. If you really be Terry Jesus. See Pato Rankin then, he was doing well. Come they proud for us. Say money they call me, they go knock bomb, money they find me. Come they proud for money. We don't come they hear about Pato Rankin again. No show, no wedding, no burial, no child dedication. Even gossip, then they call her. But the ranking come they remind us, I'm available. I'm available. Call me. Rude boy, I don't understand. Rude boy of former P Square. He sing one song, I think it's a gospel song. Hallelujah. Hey, now God they do. Hey, hallelujah. I was expecting him to say he has reconciled with his brother. Or he has formed a new group. The next thing I hear. And so you get the scattered the waist, they scattered the... How do you thank God when you get the shake waist? No, I don't understand because the way this Nigerian music don't take the rampant now. Very soon. All these secular songs, very soon. They're going to begin to use secular songs. They advertise church program. Just to get audience. If you just inside your car, they drive. You go to hear holy money, holy fire, holy money, holy fire. Once they get your attention, you go hear the Ministry of Boys Crusade. Presents 3 days of power packs, miracle signs and wonders. Venue, TBS Oniko, time 5 p.m. Come and be delivered of all your financial problems. Jesus is Lord. The advert will continue. Olodumare, bless you with money. Uh, thank you. People they shout this in a plus AY show. Very soon I'm going to begin here. Worry. I know there's an here. Area. Then plenty. But those people, their life different. They're supposed to give one country. This matter where they talk about, this power holding matter, former NEPA. And for worry, I say I'm finished. We go worry, go do show. I enter fast food, I buy meat pie. I was shocked. For the menu, they write meat pie with NEPA, 200. Yeah, they write meat pie with Jen, 250. I was shocked, man. No, that's that. Worry people. Now their hotel, now they tire me now. Benin people there. I want top here. Then they. Listen, for Lagos and Abuja, you go lodge for hotel. They go give you normal thing. They give you towel, tissue, soap. Some they give brush. People like Oko Hotel go give you brush, give you hairnet, give you shower cap, give you slippers. Then just know say even if na pastor lodge, they go give them shower cap. And I won't put pastor for problem. Now these people, now they know how to serve customers well. I was shocked when we go woman here for one show. We lodge 6 a.m. Then begin knock everybody door. We can't say fire they burn for the hotel. Now open door say, young man, why are you disturbing our peace? He say, Moku come out for morning devotion. I was marveled, man. Now Benin, now we can go lodge. Benin on 9 tire me. Normally they give us towel, give us the soap, give us other things. When I shock, now when they give us anointing oil and cutlass. I thought they asked the guy, say, what thing we will use anointing oil and cutlass do? I say, my brother, winch they disturb us here. So if they enter your room, use the anointing oil, anoint yourself. But if you go fight them, use the cutlass. All right, thank you. I'll leave you with this. In case you're meeting me for the first time, yes, I know, I never took blow. So many people, they meet me for the first time. Forget the way we dress. Some of us, they make one happy, we don't get happiness. Man, don't come the form now because I did this stage. In case you're meeting me for the first time, my name is MOP. If you doubt, check Instagram, MOP comedian, and I may be that. If you doubt, again, ask for my account number, you go see my full name. I be Igbo boy, that's what we do from Abia State. We have a state boy. I be like Abia State people not here. Nobody won't clap. I didn't think now. Chama, you're from Abia State. Which local government? Ngwa. Okay, I'm from Arochukwu. Yeah. Abia State people. I mean, often I don't go traditional marriage for all those East, all those Arochukwu. For Imo State, Njaba, Amarako. All those DJs. Anytime I want to see clean DJs like this, I need to celebrate them. All those DJs, one they bring for us for traditional marriage. I meet one 2 weeks ago for Njaba. Carry big red towel for neck. Say name na DJ Snoop Doggy Dog. I was shocked because when the clients they call me for the event, when we they book, in terms of a small traditional marriage. When I reach there, the guy carries 16 speakers. At the end, only 2 they work. Now I say make a manage them. Their microphone no sharp like this now. They get one foam on top. You dare not remove that foam. Different mouth odor, they the foam. You manage it like that. When I they make announcement, now when I know say this guy won't kill me, for the microphone, they sound like ghosts. And they call women, make them come carry their food. The thing that they hear now, people, off. Njaba, women, association. And the guy they tell you, oh boy, no cross here, stand like this, hold on like this. You be native doctor. Ladies and gentlemen, that's my time. My name is MOP. God bless you. Thank you.